Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the hottest topics out there, how to make money on YouTube fast. We're talking big numbers, crazy opportunities, and the kind of success that'll make your head spin. Whether you're just starting out, or you're looking to take your channel to the next level, we've got the tips and tricks you need to start raking in that sweet YouTube cash. Get ready to take notes because we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. Let's do this.
First up, we're entering the world of gaming. If you're passionate about video games, why not get paid to play? Monetizing a gaming channel is easier than you think. Run ads on your videos, snag those brand deals, and watch the money roll in during your epic live streams. Think about it. Viewers want to see the latest games in action. They crave that expert commentary and those hilarious rage quits. That's where you come in. Take a page from the biggest names in the game like PewDiePie, Markiplier, and Ninja. They've turned their love for gaming into multi-million-dollar empires, and you can too. Remember, consistency is key. Upload those videos regularly, engage with your community, and before you know it, you'll be swimming in subscribers and sponsorships. This is your chance to turn your passion into profit. Game on.
Next up, let's talk about product reviews. Everyone loves unboxing videos, right? That new phone, that awesome gadget, that must-have beauty product? People crave that first look and honest opinion. That's where you come in. Become the go-to expert in your niche. Build a loyal following, and brands will be lining up to send you free stuff to review. Think about the possibilities. Free products, sponsorship deals, and affiliate marketing opportunities galore. Imagine getting a cut every time someone buys a product you recommend. Look at channels like Unbox Therapy and MKBHD. They've built massive followings by providing high-quality reviews and valuable insights. The key is to be honest, be engaging, and be passionate about the products you're reviewing. Showcase your personality, connect with your audience, and watch your channel soar. Remember, everyone's an expert on something. Find your niche, unbox your potential, and get ready for those sponsorship deals to roll in.
Now let's talk about going viral. Everyone wants to be the next big YouTube sensation, right? Well, challenges are your shortcut to internet fame. Think about it. The hot pepper challenge, the blindfolded makeup challenge, the possibilities are endless. These videos are engaging, they're shareable, and they have the potential to blow up overnight. But here's the secret. You don't need $1 million budget or crazy stunts to go viral. Some of the most popular challenge videos are simple, relatable, and downright hilarious. Take Mr. Beast, for example. He's built an empire by giving away money and doing outrageous challenges, but it's not just about the money, it's about the creativity, the entertainment, and the connection he builds with his audience. So, brainstorm some crazy ideas, grab a friend, and get filming. The more creative, the better. Remember, the key to a successful challenge video is to make it your own. Add your own twist, your own personality, and don't be afraid to get a little weird with it.
Finally, let's talk about your own backyard. Did you know you can make money on YouTube just by showcasing your city or neighborhood? Travel vlogging isn't just for globetrotters. It's for anyone with a passion for their local area. Think about it. People are always looking for hidden gems, the best local restaurants, the coolest things to do in a new city. You can be their guide, their local expert. Highlight the best your city has to offer. The unique shops, the delicious food, the breathtaking scenery. You can even partner with local businesses for sponsorships and promotions. Imagine getting paid to explore your own city, trying new restaurants, and sharing your experiences with the world. That's the power of local vlogging. Look at channels like The Points Guy and Hey Nadine. They've turned their love for travel into successful careers, and you can too. Remember, it's all about showcasing your passion, your knowledge, and your unique perspective. So get out there, explore your city, and start filming.
Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. See you in the next video. Remember, starting a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But with the right strategy and a little bit of luck, you can achieve your dreams and start earning serious cash. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, start creating, and who knows, you might just become the next YouTube millionaire.